Hey, what's going on? Bobby Las Vegas presents MGM Grand Room Review of the updated King Room Strip View. And as always, we will let you know should you pay and stay or stay away. Here we are, as soon as you walk in. Nice bathroom. Nice backlit mirror. Of course, you got the throne. Nice stand-up shower. King size bed. This little lighting joint look like the bed is floating. Nice size TV. They have a mini bar. Also have a little mini cooler where you can put your own stuff in. Desk area, seating, and here we go. Right at the Strip, New York, Park MGM, Aria. We got the mansions. It's really dope. I like this. MGM Grand King Room Strip View. I like the updated look, feel. Can't wait to do it again.